Hi, welcome. We can solve equation. We can solve equation like y equal 1 over root x plus 4. Like this, we wanted to get the domain, then domain this x plus 4 bigger than 0, but not equal, then x bigger than minus 4. Okay, then this domain for y, and we can also y equal minus modulus x minus 4 slash 6. The domain is all x element r. Okay, we need to solve equation we can use y equal the root square x square minus 4. That means x square minus 4 bigger than 0, like this. We can solve this x minus 2, x plus 2 bigger than 0. If we can drawing this minus 2 left side, here 2, this we can solve this and draw like this. That equal the signal here increasing. Then x square bigger than 4, same x modulus x is bigger than 2. Okay. We solve another problem. We take x square 3x square plus 9x minus 30 equals 0. We need to solve this. This can over 3 over 3 over 3, then x square plus 3x minus 10 equals 0. Then factor equals 0. X 5 2 this, and the signal like this. Then x equal minus 5 x equal 2. Okay, then we can solve another problem. 4x square 3x square equal 16 plus 12. How we can solve this? We can this right hand side, we come in another side. Then 4x square plus 3x square minus 16x minus 12 equal 0. Okay, we can solve this like that. 4x square plus 3x square plus minus 16x minus 12 equal 0. Okay, then we can solve this x power 3, x power 2, then x power 2 here, 4x plus 3. We can take here minus outside and 4 outside, then give 4x plus 3 equal 0. Then this equals this, the same. Then 4x plus 3, what again? X square minus 4, x square minus 4, x square minus 4 equal 0. Then we can solve this and we can complete. We can solve this, then 4x plus 3. This factor is in x minus 2, x plus 2 equal 0. All equal 0. All. These all factors all equal become 0. Then how? If this becomes 0, then x equal minus 3 of, and x equal 2, and x equal minus 2. Okay, this is the solution. We can solve another one problem. We can take another problem. We can solve another problem like 2x squared minus 10 equals 0. Then 2x minus 5 equals 0. We can slash this over 2. Then x minus 5 equals 0 and x equal 5. This square, okay, square, okay, then x equal plus minus root 5. Okay, we can solve this another method, x square minus 5 equals 0. We can solve x like this, x minus root 5, x minus root 5. Then x equal the root 5 and minus root 5. The same. This the same. We can solve another also, x power 3 plus 4x square plus x minus 6 equals 0. How we can solve this? Then this power 3, power 2, and power 1 minus 6. We solve this and we know already how we can solve. Okay, this another one. We can this x square, x power 3 plus 4 x power 2, the plus x minus 6. Then we can find this x6 may be equal plus minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3 plus minus 6. Then we can put here, we can say x minus 1, and we can solve and replace every x by 1. Then 1 power 3 plus 4 1 power 2 plus 1 minus 6. This equal 1 1 4 6 minus 6 equal 0. Then this the root. Then we can solve and find again 1 1 4 1 minus 6. 1 multiply 1, put here, multiply and add 5, multiply, put here, then this 6, 1 multiply 6, then 6 equal 0. Then the x minus, we have x minus x square plus 5x plus 6 equal 0. Then x minus 1, and we can make factor like this. Fact x plus 2, x plus 3, all equal 0. We can find the value of this. X minus 1, x equal 1. X plus 2, x equal negative 2, 1, and x equal negative 3. Okay, then we solve already. We can have another problem to solve it again. That good also. x4 minus 5x square plus 4 equal 0. How we can solve this? This power 4 minus 5 power 2 plus 4. Okay, we can thinking how we can solve like this. Maybe you put a equal x square. We can replace every x square by a. Then a square minus this x4. We put a equal x2. Then a square minus 5a plus 4. This equal 0. We can solve this factor like this equal 0. A factor a for the factors, and 4 negative 1. Then a equal this equal 0 or this equal 0. That means a equal 4 and a equal 1. We can replace again. Then x square equal 4 and x square equal 1. Then here x equal plus minus 2, x equal plus minus 1. Then this solve of this big problem. So nice problem like this. We can put and replace a equal x square, and we replace every x square by a. Then come a square minus 5a plus 4 equals 0. And this factor and factor like this, and x square equal 4, x square equal 1. Then the good solution you can find the solve. Okay, we can look another problem like what? X minus 3 over x plus 4 minus x plus 2 over x minus 5. This all equal 0. How we can solve this? Okay, we can this x plus 4, x minus 5. Okay, that we can, this case here, we can multiply x plus 4, x minus 5. Then what we can do? We can find two ideas, but the good idea, we can find the factor for x plus 4 and this also like this. Then the factor for x plus 4, x minus 5. We can multiply all in the factor this. Then we can multiply x plus 4, x minus 5. Then that go, if this like this, we can have x minus 3, x minus 3, multiply x minus 5, minus this, remove this, then this, multiply this. Then x plus 2, multiply x plus 4, equal 0. We can solve this and solve this. Then this coming x minus 3, x minus 5, minus x plus 2, multiply x plus 4. Okay, we can solve this and solve this. Then we can solve x minus 5. Like what? We can say x square minus 5x here and there minus 3x minus 15. Okay. Again here, again x square plus 4x plus 2x plus 8. We can solve this. X square, this minus x square, like this. Then this equal 8x minus 15 minus this equal 6x minus 6x minus 8. This equal 0. Then we can this minus 6x minus 8, then minus 14x like this equal this minus plus 15 equal 0. Then 14x equal 7 equal 7. Then x equal 7 over 14 equal 1 over 2. 1 over 2. Then we can solve this. Okay, we can solve another one. we look another mathematics. Like what? 5 over x minus 1 minus 1 equal 12 x square minus 1. That means the same before. We can multiply in this and this. We can multiply all here x minus 1 multiply this equal x minus 1 x plus 1. Then we can multiply x minus 1 x plus 1. Then we can have this go with this, then 5 multiply this, then 5 x plus 1 5 dot x plus 1 minus x minus 1 dot x plus 1, this equal 12. Okay, then we multiply like this by 5x plus 5 minus, we can put negative, we can put x multiply x, then my x square plus 1 equal 12. Then we can make this 5x, we can rearrange again, x square minus 5x plus this 6 minus 6 يبقى then 6 equal 0. We can solve this factor x 2 number multiply 6 and we add minus 5, then 2 and 3, the same signal, then x equal 2 and x equal 3. This is the set solution. We have x equal 2 and x equal 3. Okay, thank you. Don't forget like and share and subscribe. Thank you. Saleh Abdel Al.